Hey guys, welcome back to One Car Wood Shop and welcome to the Santa Ynez Valley. This is my new backyard and I'm really excited about it. But I'm gonna head inside because these birds are really loud and I want you to be able to actually hear what I'm saying. So about a month and a half ago, my wife and I bought this house. It's really exciting. As any of you who may have gone through the home buying process recently, especially during COVID, know it's a tough time. It's, I wouldn't necessarily call it a fixer-upper, but it's a house from 1963 and everything was original. So you had a ton of work to do. We redid all the ceilings and all the floors and all the trim in the house. I've been really tied up with sort of homeowner carpentry type tasks in all my free time for the last 2 months here. But all that to say, we have more bedrooms now and larger space. So with that said, we got a couple of really exciting furniture projects on the way that I can't wait to get started on. The first project that I'm gonna tackle, I'm not gonna tell you guys what that's gonna be just yet, but I'd love if you take a guess in the comments. I'll give you 2 hints. It is, yeah, the largest project I've ever done, and it's also the piece of furniture that I feel like breaks the most frequently, which is why I'm really excited to build it myself, because in my experience, this piece of furniture, no matter, I'm sure you can spend some amount of money and get a quality product that won't break, but I'm kind of rough on my stuff, and for whatever reason, this piece of furniture has always broken on me. Can't wait to overbuild the crap out of it and just build something really reliable that we can count on for decades to come, and it should be beautiful. Whoever the first person is to get that in the comments, if one of you gets it, I'll give you a shout out on the first project video when that comes out. But aside from that project, I've got at least 3 or 4 kind of coming down the road as well, some big, some small. And I can't wait to just show you guys around a little bit. As soon as the sort of initial fixing problems phase finishes around the house, I'm gonna be jumping right into those projects. I can't wait to get back into making project videos and spending some time with you guys. I'm really excited about all the new followers. We are about to hit 200 here, which honestly is amazing. Thank you guys so much for subscribing, and I'm really excited to see where this whole channel goes. I hope you guys are all doing all right. It's been a weird year to say the least, but here's to hope in 2021 we're all able to kind of get back on our feet a little bit and figure out what this new normal looks like. So thank you guys for tuning in, and thanks for checking out One Car Wood Shop.